everyone. So this is a very short lecture, and it's simply to encourage you to really use that booklet. It is a personal booklet, and you work so hard. You're doing so great already. Review the content that I have provided you with. Continue to practice and challenge yourself, and believe in yourself. This is something that you can do. You can learn French. You can speak French. So I encourage you to read the words again, use the study tip, form your sentences, use the worksheets, and have some fun. Okay? So for you, I have provided a bonus lecture where I go over some phrases for holidays. I will teach you how to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and various different sayings for the holidays. So I hope you enjoy the next lecture, which is a bonus lecture, and then we are off to section number 2.